Alright, sorry everybody, I have been very lazy on filming. I've just been kind of trying to enjoy the trapping. Got my buddy Don with me here today. This is our third day with trap set and checking, and so far we are at about 34 coon in 3 days, and we're not through our, this is our fourth stop. That one's empty. Oh, we got one over here. We've had 2 doubles today and a couple singles, and I was like, dude, we have not been recording any of this, so here we go. We're going to start recording. He's going to dispatch us here, and we'll videotape. So, sorry guys, once again, I haven't posted crap, but I'm going to try to do it today. Get covered in fish oil and everything, and using my phone. I just haven't been doing it, and like I said, we've been trying to just have some fun and get some steel set. So, alrighty, here we go. I always wrap my tag. Helps. They always mess with them anyway. More than 2 shakes, you're playing with it. Special blend of rigmarole. Got a call lure here. Another secret. That's it, guys. That's set. Got another nice coon right here. Go put them in the truck. So obviously we're just in the morning of the third day, so this is already a train wreck. But this is just from this morning right here when we got Dom's back at the house already. So let's keep on moving. Alright, what we do is when we get to a set, just as fast. Already out checking. Had one here yesterday. That one's set. Nothing. I always check them. Make sure the mice hasn't stealed any of the bait. That one's still good. Still got the gland lure right there. There we go. Right there's the truck. Still set. On to the next spot. That's how you put up numbers. 2 traps at a location. Possibly get a double. Back in the truck, on to the next spot. Alright, out of the truck. He's gonna go check. If we have one, I'll grab the bag. Probably don't have one. Need bait. There you go. This is where we had our first feral cat in a dog proof yesterday. That was fun to release. That gland lure stick's gone. See that? Oh, that's right there. That's right there. Got here the other spot. He's gonna go check that one. Got a possum in this one. We came in to have another trap up there. We just drove right by. There's a coon in that one. I have to reset this. I had one off of this. We had a coon in here the other day. Oh, it's still set. It's right here. Still baiting me. Got another possum in this one over here. Yippity skippity. Straight ahead. Walk down the edge. He's playing possum. Man, he made quite the work of this. Too bad they're not worth nothing. Alright, we're going to get this one let go here. Okay. Alright. See you, bud. Have a good life. Alrighty. Check that one over there. Anything in it? Check. There's mice around this barn have been bad. I usually have to rebait if there's nothing in them.
Nope, bait's good.
The bait's good? Wow. Got another one here. I had a coon in this spot the other day. Oh, I see a mask. Nice coon. Nice coon. Alright, we'll get him dispatched or make this set. Alright, so at this spot here, across from the house, they got a pond. Got a little wet spot here. Got a woods. Got big wide open field. Big wide open field forever. And a fence we're going this way to another tiny little woodlot in the middle of a huge field. We're stacking up the coons today, guys. Let's see what this looks like. I don't see the trap. See this here? Just off the road. Oh, there he is. Not no monster, but still a coon. See this long fence row. Goes out to that woodlot over there. Nothing. Nice woodlot. Saw you pick up a coon or two right here, guys. So this one here, guys, isn't too far off the road. This one's kind of different. There's old headstones in here. One of these said 1823. Did I have one? What was in that? Possum in that one. We got a coon over here, Dom. This one here. Can't hardly read it. But always have a full trap here in this.
What's creepier is the ball up there.
Yeah, this is a cool spot. That's a good coon. Alright, there's nothing in that one, unfortunately. There's the truck. Got a little swamp edge right here. Got a heck of a coon trail right here. I heard Dom hooting and hollering over here, so I'm assuming there's one in this one. We got a good one, Dom? He says it's a big one. Then you got this little stream right here, water running. Oh yeah, that's a good coon. That's 2 for 2 in this spot. That's a good coon. Alrighty. Some old barns, old corn crib. Anything down there? Knocked over. Got a coon here though. Alright, let's get to resetting. Alright. Just pulled up to this spot. Looky there. Another one. I'll go check the other side. I'll dispatch him. Got one here. See that? A couple steps off the side of the truck. Easy set. Go, go, go. Fence row between 2 big woods. This is a little trick in here. Let's check this. Oh, I don't see the trap. Looky there. He's sleeping. Got a double, Dom. Alright, gonna get these reset. We're putting the fur away today. Alright, got a nice little creek and a swamp. Big old willow. We got a big old coon down here. He's wrapped himself up good. Alright, let's remake it. You can see cars going by. Right here. We had a double here yesterday. We got one up here? Yeah. Sweet. Is there one on the other side? That's on that branch. I can't quite see it from here.
Yep, there is.
Is there? We got a double here. One on that side, one here. We'll go check that one next. Alrighty. Big woodlot over there. Nice coon. Alright. Up here, old foundation, old homestead. Is he a double fister?
Nope. Both hands.
Oh man. Yep. Alright, we just got here to my beaver spot. Alright. We got a camera on this one, just got here to the beaver spot. That one's still set. Dude, that one's gone. Damn.
You got your waders?
No. I'm going down. It's set off. It's just set off and like, dude, he's been sitting here working on this today. Look at all this. He set it off with a stick, I bet.
Yeah, there's fresh tracks right there.
Yeah. There's a stick in this 330 down here. So looking at the tracks, it's down here. Dude, I think I see hair. Dude, I think there's something in it. I think he's been mudding over another one. I got a beaver, dude.
Oh, yeah.
He's been mudding over top of him. What in the heck? No way. It's a kit. Dude.
Nice.
We need to get this reset though, because look, he's been coming up. He's been mudding over his buddy. That is insane. Well, we had a little bit of coon weight today, and we're gonna have to revamp our system here. She collapsed on us. But here's the bonus beaver from today. And we got 21 coon off the line today, guys. And then there's the ones that we got skinned from yesterday. We just turned on the freezer because they're coming in so fast. Can't keep up, so we're going to end up freezing those. And I'll pull a couple out to flesh every now and again. Got one hung up, getting ready to get skinned. But, yeah, we're, this is 3 days of trapping. What's 29 plus 21?
29 plus 21?
I'm making them think.
40. No. 50.
No. No. 29. Just basically say 30 because it's 21. That's 50.
60.
No, it's 50.
No.
30 and 20.
No.
3? Yes.
29 and 31. 29 and 31 is
29,
60.
29 and 21. We got 21 today.
It's been too long of a day.
So, you can tell why we're trappers. We are at 50 coon in 3 days. Not too bad. So, alrighty, we're going to cut out here and start skinning. Dom might film me trying to skin some here. So, alrighty.